The Hindus, including the Sikhs and all those tribal divisions or religious divisions, they have explanations as karma, that is, what you do, you sow, and so on. Everyone has some kind of explanation for suffering. But the explanations, the causes of suffering, if we merely explain it, put it into words, as we shall presently, knowing that the words are not this feeling, the actuality of pain. So the word is not the thing. The explanation, the description are not the actual. So if we are caught in the words, then we shall not be able to understand the substance of the quality, the depth of suffering. So first, can we be free of words? This is important because words condition our thinking. Words like communists or socialists and so on, those words have certain significance. And we accept those significance and thus we are conditioned by words. Sir, please, would you kindly let me finish the talk? We asked last Tuesday and Thursday, we answered many of the questions that have been given. Not all the questions, because that would be impossible. There are 200 or 300 questions. That would take perhaps several weeks. We can't sit here for several weeks, at least. We can't.
But you're talking about suffering and being irritated. It's suffering, isn't it?
What, sir?
You're talking about suffering and getting annoyed, irritated about suffering.
Sir, would you mind? We ought to put this question the other day. So if you'll kindly forgive me, I'll go on with what I want to say. I hope you don't mind. There is this suffering. Is a word like fear brings fear? The word itself. Or is fear free from the word? Like love. It's a word. But that word is not the actual. So, the word suffering, does it shape our thinking? Therefore one has to be very careful. One may point out that we are not slave to words, which is quite difficult. Father, mother, wife, husband, those words have tremendous significance. And those words shape our thinking. Words have immense power, either destructive or words that have to be understood, the depth of it, the meaning of it, the quality of it, the tonality of it. So we are not dealing with explanations, descriptions, or the words that can entangle us. We are not trying actually, we are endeavoring, going into the question of what is suffering. When we suffer this intense pain, not only physical pain, but the subjective, psychic, inward pain. That pain acts on the nerves. Our whole thinking is a process of shrinking. And it awakens us to a sense of desperate loneliness. We're saying facts, not imaginative statements. Facts. What is? And that sense of shock, sense of loneliness brings the urge to find some comfort. A sense of wanting to be helped. Don't you go through all this? And the desire to be helped is one of the causes of suffering. You understand this? We're always seeking help. That's why most of you probably are here. We want to be helped with our problems, with our secret desires conflicting, with our secret longings, and so on, which causes pain, discomfort, a sense of annoyance, and so on. And we want to be helped. When we want to be helped from another, whether it be the priest, the psychiatrist, and so on, we then become dependent. We then become attached to that dependence. And that is one of the basic causes of suffering. Right? Please, this is important to understand, because all our gods, our prayers, and so on, are the demands of every human being throughout the world seeking help. And therefore, when one is being helped, one becomes weak. If you're constantly depending on some kind of drug, pill to escape from suffering, pain, then you become more and more and more dependent on those drugs, pills, doctors. I hope there are no doctors. If there are, we need doctors, and we are talking about dependence. And we are saying that where there is dependence, there is attachment. And attachment is one of the causes of sorrow. When I'm attached to my wife, to a building, to some ideological concepts, I'm attached